Today we're going to talk about
Our home and our province where we live, Saskatchewan. Stay
Saskatchewan.
tuned.
So, welcome back to our channel, guys. Once again, today we are discussing the facts about Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan is a prairie province of Canada. Saskatchewan's province is having a population of what over
Just
little
over
over 1
million.
million.
Yeah, just
Yes,
over 1 million.
and Saskatchewan's is rich in agriculture and minerals. Correct?
Yes, it is. Yeah, we are rich in agriculture. We do lots of mining here. We
Yes.
export some mining extracts that like uranium to various parts of the world.
Right.
And our economy is really strong and stable because of this mining and we being rich in agriculture.
That's right. And that opens doors to a lot of employment opportunities as well.
That's true. And some of the people who are really like educated in those lines where you deal with mining and agriculture, there are lots of job opportunities here in both these sectors.
That's right. But to talk about the most hype topic that nobody wants to talk about is Saskatchewan's winter. I don't like Saskatchewan winter.
Nobody likes winters, guys. Trust me. Saskatchewan winters are can be defined right by Neha. She came up with three terms that she says that this.
Long, harsh, -40 weather.
So these are the summary of Saskatchewan winters. They are really long, true. They start from November, mid of November until and they go past March, sometimes end of March.
Yes.
And sometimes you will see snow end of April too. But
Yeah.
but those are some of the
He's very positive about Saskatchewan winters. However, I am not. I
See,
just don't look forward to them.
I don't like winters too, but the only thing is there are no gains without a pain. So
Yes.
this province, the pain is winter, I understand,
I
but the gain, there are a lot more gains, and which balances out this little pain of winters.
Yes.
So starting with the positive things that I see in Saskatchewan here are Saskatchewan is one of the provinces which offers free healthcare, which means unlike other provinces, residents are not required to pay any charges or premiums to get a basic healthcare.
Yes.
So everybody gets the free basic healthcare.
That's right.
Another important thing here is free elementary education. Your kids go to school for free.
Absolutely free.
So there is no cost involved there too. And once the kids grow up and go to the universities, there is a very good program by the government which is called Saskatchewan Graduation Retention Program. It's also called a GRP. In under that program, whoever graduates from the university or a college is entitled to get a rebate of up to $20,000 in taxes when the student grows up and lives in Saskatchewan and starts to work. You can use this rebate to offset your Saskatchewan provincial tax.
That's very
So,
true.
and the most important thing that I like about this province is
The affordable living, which means you can rent or buy a house at a very affordable rates here.
and what's the cost of one average two-bedroom apartment, Neha?
So you can basically rent a place here in less than $1,000 in a place like downtown or Saskatoon that I'm talking about in specific. It just costs you like less than $1,000 to have a two-bedroom a bathroom place.
That's unbelievable. $1,000 for a two-bedroom apartment in the heart of the city, Saskatoon, which is the biggest city in Saskatchewan.
Yes,
And it is very affordable, guys.
that's right.
Another important thing is owning a vehicle here is cheap too, which means you can buy a vehicle and then get it insured for a monthly insurance of around $100 to $120 a month, which is not at all bad when you compare this cost with other provinces. And why is that? Our insurance of the vehicles is regulated by the government body, and that's called SGI, Saskatchewan Government Insurance. They regulate those prices, and that's why it's very affordable to own and maintain vehicles here. We can maintain two cars and pay $100
That
each
is
as an
right.
insurance on both the vehicles.
Yes.
Which, unlike in other provinces, you might have to shed out like $300 just for insurance for one vehicle.
That's right. So, which means it becomes very affordable to have a child go to school or commute from one corner of the city to the other corner of the city in less than 20-25 minutes in full
true.
traffic peak times.
Unbelievable, and but it's
Yes.
true.
All in all, we really like Saskatchewan now. We never knew about these facts 10 years before when we moved here.
Yeah, when we moved here, main motive here was to get a permanent residency.
Yes.
Because Saskatchewan is the one of those provinces where it was easier that time to get SINP, Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, and that leads to your permanent residency. But that time it was pretty easy for anybody to come from anywhere and then get a job in Saskatchewan and apply for a PR. We can definitely make one video telling you about all the rules and
About
SINP.
SINP, about how you would get a job.
Yeah,
So
but-
these will be in the forthcoming videos for you guys.
Yeah, but all in all, like Neha said, we really like it here. We have called Saskatchewan our home for more than 10 years now. But since we have already discussed about all the things we like about Saskatchewan, what is one? I know you don't like winter, but apart from winter, what is
Yes, there
something
is
that you-
always two sides of the coin, guys. That's what we believe in, right? And the downside of it is, if you're a big party person or you want a big social life, then yes, Saskatoon or Regina is not a big party place.
Places
So
to
you don't have a lot of social life. There's not much Bollywood or like any kind of big social events
that
happening
happen,
every
yeah.
now and then.
Right.
The community does try their best to get us the best entertainment that they can bring to this province. However, it's not like all time 24 hours going on
No,
like in other big
no.
provinces of Canada.
Yeah, but you know, when we initially moved here, we never had an opportunity to go out and watch a Bollywood movie
Yeah.
there too, because there was none. There
Yeah.
were nothing available here.
Yeah.
But now I think that the Indian community in both the places in Saskatoon and Regina
Yeah.
have worked really hard.
Yeah.
And now they make sure there are those opportunities here available, at least on the weekends, if not every day.
Yeah.
Where people can go.
And honestly, it is growing. It's growing each day. From the time we came here 10 years ago
Yeah.
to now what we compare, it has grown immensely. But yes, if you are a person who loves to have a social life and who wants to party on a weekend and go into those pubs and other places where you can just hang out, yes, it's not a very happening. They do have couple places.
Some people might want to live in a big cities, and they like their big downtowns.
But right now, Saskatoon especially is having a development going on. There are big places taking over.
Yes.
There's going to be big buildings, beautiful skyline coming up very soon.
That's
It's
right.
only a matter of time. So it's definitely not a downsize, but it's not a very fancy place to live at the first go.
Trust me, guys, if you live in a place where you can save some money at the end of the day because your
Yes.
cost of living is not too high, that means you will end up with some money that you can spend on the stuff that you want to do. Here you get an opportunity to live your life in less cost, so that you have a money left over to do whatever you want to do.
And honestly, those places are not very far away. So you can go every now and then. Like
Right, yeah.
every year you can just go and visit those places.
That's right.
Still have that party feeling, still have and go on those big events when happen.
That's right.
So it's not very far away.
Yeah, so Edmonton, which is about 500 kilometers from here, is the place where we have gone couple times for the
Yes.
Bollywood events, and there is Calgary about 7 hours away.
The other thing is that we usually miss out is if you have places where you have to go, like your home country is a little bit where you get direct flights from big city.
That's right,
That
yeah.
is a little bit downsized because they don't have this is not a major hub for international flights. It is developing. Saskatoon Airport is developing
Right.
right
But
now.
as of now, at Saskatoon Airport, there are only direct flights like to US, and it is not a port of entry. But this is definitely a concern for somebody who goes to India every year,
India or any other of your home
of your
countries,
home
right?
country every year. But in last so many years, we have only gone back like twice.
Yes.
So it doesn't again matter to
So
us.
having said that, we don't even mind the travel if we have to travel domestic first and then have our international flight linked thereafter. However, it's not a big deal.
But it is again a concern for the parents. If your parents and your
Yes.
relatives and somebody who comes in to see you every year, it's a bit of long journey for them.
Yes.
Because that adds, like landing in Saskatoon means you have to first go to either Calgary or Toronto to do your immigration there and then come in here, which adds your travel time to about 3 or 4 hours every time you come back.
So
or go.
instead of having like 2 flights, you might have a layover of 3 to 4 flights.
That's right.
And God forbid if your flight gets delayed, that is again a concern. But
So, I mean, yes, there are these downsides for
and
sure.
these downsides are just like one-time events. It's not like it happens every time. So
Right. The
one that's happening.
important thing is you go to your work every day and it only takes you 20 minutes to go to your work.
Yeah, that's the beautiful
That's
part
the
of
important
it.
thing.
For us, we love the fact that we don't have to travel or
That much,
commute
yeah.
or take transits and change transits. So that's why we suck it up when it's winter. So guys, if you opt for Saskatchewan, these are both the sides of the picture.
Yeah, we've discussed the positives and negatives of
Yeah.
Saskatchewan being your home. So if you have any questions and you want any more information about this place and how to find a house or a property, and Aya can help you. You just leave your comments in the.
We will probably make a
then-
video on how to find a home in the upcoming videos, and then brief you guys how you would find a house, what's the best options to explore eventually. So yes, so stay tuned for more exciting and informative videos
Coming up
about
soon.
Saskatchewan.
And if you have not subscribed, what you should do is
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Bye guys.